and welcome to Module 1 of HTML. In this section, we will learn some basic applications of HTML. So let's start. The first and very important application of HTML is web page development. HTML is heavily used for creating pages that are displayed on World Wide Web. Every page contains a set of HTML tags, including hyperlinks, which are used for connecting other web pages. Every page that we witness on the World Wide Web is written using a version of HTML code only. Next is internet navigation. This is one of the most important use of HTML. This navigation is possible by utilizing the concept of hypertext. Now, what is hypertext? It is basically a text which refers to other web pages or text, and when user click on it, it would navigate to reference text or pages. HTML is heavily used to embed the hyperlinks within the web pages as well. Next is responsive web pages. With the help of responsive design strategy, HTML pages are used to view or look similar on each and every device. For example, mobile, laptop, desktop. Now on the screen, you can see this image. The website is seen similar to each and every device, that is desktop, laptop, tablet, and phone. Next is offline support. HTML is a language in which if the code is written and loaded once on the browser, then we can use the code to modify offline as well without the internet connection. Now, how you can view the code offline? Because the code is stored into a cache memory of a system. Next is game development. Before the arrival of HTML5, game development was exclusive domain of Flash and Silverlight. But after the browser started supporting the new specification of HTML5, the game development is much easier with HTML5, including some CSS scripts. Thank you.